Hey folks, this is Matt with Priority Home Inspections, and I am on a roof. This is an investment home. It's a 1999. The shingles are original. As you can see, there's a lot going on. We got damaged and missing shingles, exposed fasteners. We're missing the end cap. Some more shingle damage. The dryer duct is actually a PVC pipe, and if you look, there's some lint built up in there, so that's a fire hazard. There's lint all over the attic space. So we got a lot going on this roof. I don't know that it would be worth trying to patch this roof. I think it needs to be replaced. Would be the best value for the money. Some raised fasteners. And if you look here at the roof-to-wall intersection, there's no kick-out flashing here. So the rainwater is going to just drain onto the porch and the side of the stucco. All right, your investment is our priority. Check us out at brevardhomeinspector.com. Matt with Priority Home Inspection, signing off.